Righto, what have we got here? The Z900RS. RS in there somewhere. Hello. We're going to unpack it. We're going to do the unboxing, official unboxing, Z900RS in the maroon. Alright, we got the Z900RS. This is for Jamie. He's been waiting for 2 months to get this figure. Actually, we might pull it straight up, eh? Here we go. Woo-hoo! Look at this. First time I've seen this one, eh? Oh, what do you reckon of that jigger? Woohoo! Z900RS in the, I don't know what do you call that, burgundy maroon? It's got a speck through the paint. Have a look at that. What a fucking ripper this thing is. So young Mitch is going to build this one, and he's got to put a rack on it. This little rack, radiator guard, and a tank pad on this one. So we should all got that all sorted. So yeah, let's do it. We'll get him to unbox it. That black's awesome, isn't it? It is, eh? Just flick through it. I mean, you're gonna love this trigger. Ta-da! Yeehaw! Coming on solid ground for the first time since its birth in Japan. Man, look at that colour. That is unreal. Look at that. Woohoo! And Jamie's going to be happy with this one. So Jamie's trading in a Jaffa. Okay. He bought a Jaffa probably 3 or 4 years ago. Yeah. And so he just wants a new colour. So there we are. There we go. We put the mirrors on, the bar ends, a few other bits and bobs. And then we'll fill it with fuel, put the bloody rack on, radiator guard, tank pad, and we're ready to go. Yeehaw! You see that again, Mitch? Rat guard, what do you reckon? Look good or what?
It's pretty good, eh?
Sick! Radiator guard. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's all under the seat. What's going on here? Oh yeah, it's the wrong way around. Yeah, mate. This is where all the action happens under the seat, the Z900RS. Check this out, Kawasaki's new Z900RS in the black maroon with the gold pinstripe. Bloody beautiful bit of gear, this jigger. This one's got the crash bar, the grab rail. Woohoo! How awesome is this? Z900RS. Loving that. Have a look at this, mate. Kawasaki Z900RS 2023 model in the black maroon. Mate, it's a cracking bike. This one's fitted up with the grab rail. We've got the, what's that word? Radiator guard. And it's the first start. Took him 2 months to get this bike, so if you want one, bring your local dealer, get a deposit on one, and wait. It's worth it. Kawasaki Z900RS 2023. Thanks for watching. Damn it, Kawiman.